Welcome back! This series with Cubo Insights, learn how to install and configure Cubo in just a few minutes and empower your team with automated insights. In this video, we will walk you through the steps on how to connect to one of the supported data sources. We assume that you are logged in as a user with appropriate administrative privileges. Once you click on Data Sources, you will see a list of data sources that are already configured. In this demo instance, we are not connected to any data source yet, so let's go ahead and start the connection setup. Over here, you will see a list of supported data sources under Direct Connection or Cloud Connection. For this tutorial, we will connect to a local database, which is a MariaDB instance. Let's call it Finances and click Next. This is where you need to enter the credentials to establish a connection to the database. Let's put the details for host, port, and the database name, which is QBank Finances. Input the username and password, and let's go ahead and test the connection. Cubo Insights will test the connection to the database and fetch a list of tables that are available in the QBank Finances database. Let's add all of these tables and create corresponding entities. You can see here, all these tables have been converted into entities. These entities constitute the logical data model, which forms the basis of our bot's extensive capabilities. For example, there's a country table that has been converted into a country entity. The primary table for the entity is shown here. Each imported table, by default, results in an entity in our logical data model. Every column from the imported tables, as seen under the Attributes tab, is mapped to corresponding attributes. The configuration for the Analytics tab is not fetched from the data source, but is instead configured by users to take advantage of the pre-built analytical capabilities of Cubo Insights. As part of this tutorial, we are not going to make any modification to the logical data model. However, we will let it resemble the physical data model as fetched from the data source. Click on Save Draft and click on Activate. When you click on Activate, the data source gets listed as an active data source. Click on Reload to initiate the training for Cubo. This may take 2 to 10 minutes to reload depending on the size of the database. Once it's reloaded, you will get a pop-up message. Query bot reloaded successfully. Your data source is now ready for conversational access via Cubo. Thanks for watching! In the next video, you will learn how to access Cubo and consume insights in natural language.